Hello, students. Hope you are safe and healthy. Blending knowledge with technology is a great way to make teaching learning process interesting. Science and technology are a boon to mankind. We all are surrounded by it. Television, washing machine, gadgets, refrigerators, cooking, breathing all involve science. Is the process of breathing and washing clothes in a washing machine based on same science? For answering this question, you need to know about the different branches of science. Science is broadly divided into two main groups: physical sciences, which involves the study of non-living things, and life sciences or biology, which involves the study of living things. Physical sciences have been further divided into physics, chemistry, and geology. Physics is the study of matter, energy, and their interactions. Chemistry is the study of composition of matter. Geology is the study of the planet Earth. Life science or biology has been further divided into botany and zoology. Botany is the study of plants, whereas zoology is the study of animals. Physics is a branch of science which deals with the study of matter and energy by making measurements and forming laws governing the various phenomena in nature. Physics is classified into different sections such as heat, light, sound, electricity, magnetism, force, etc. In most of the natural activities, directly or indirectly, laws of physics are involved. The twinkling of stars, the motion of the planets, satellites, etc. all are based on the laws of physics. You must have understood by now that physics is a branch of science which deals with the study of matter. So today we are going to learn about matter and its composition. Now look around. What do you see? Do you see a door, table, books and water? Do they look alike? No, because they are made of different substances. Now lift a book in one hand and pencil in the other hand. Which one is heavier? The book is heavier than the pencil. What is common about these two substances? Both can be touched and both have weight. Anything which can be touched, felt or has weight is matter. Matter occupies space. Let us understand this through a small activity. Take a glass half filled with water. Put few marbles in the water. You will observe that as soon as you put the marbles in water, the water level will rise. This happens because marbles will occupy the space in the glass. This shows that matter occupies space. Which one of the two bottles shown in the picture will be heavier? The first bottle, as it has orange juice in it. The other bottle is empty. The juice present in the first bottle will make it heavier. Any substance, be it a solid, liquid or gas, has mass. The masses may vary from substance to substance. For example, your school bag is heavier than your compass box. Matter can be defined as anything which occupies space and has mass. It can be perceived by our senses of smell, touch, sight, hearing and taste. Examples of matter are air, water, hydrogen, oxygen, sugar, sand, silver, steel, etc. So students, What is matter made of? John Dalton experimentally found out that matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. A molecule is made up of smaller units called atoms. Same or different kinds of atoms make a molecule. Did you know two different kinds of atoms combine together to form water molecule? These different atoms are hydrogen and oxygen. The particles of matter have the following characteristics. The particles of matter, called molecules, are very small in size. They have spaces between them. Since the spaces are between the molecules of matter, these spaces are known as intermolecular spaces. The molecules are in constant random motion. This motion is known as Brownian motion. The particles of matter always have a force of attraction between them. These forces are called intermolecular forces. Now, let us understand these characteristics one by one. Particles of matter, known as molecules, are very small in size. Did you know 1 liter of water has 6.02 into 10 to the power 26 molecules. These molecules are so small that they cannot be seen through a naked eye. The particles of matter have spaces between them. These spaces are called intermolecular spaces. Let us get some hands-on experience to understand the concept of intermolecular space. You may ask for help from your parents. Step 1. Take 3/4 of water in a glass. Mark the water level in the glass with the help of a marker. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon salt to the water gently. Step 3. Stir it well so as to dissolve the salt well in water. Step 4. Mark the level of water in the glass again. Let us now observe the change in level of water. The level of water did not change. This happened because the particles of salt have occupied the spaces between the particles of water. This shows that particles of water have spaces between them. The space between the particles of matter is called intermolecular space. This intermolecular space varies from substance to substance. The particles of matter are in constant random motion. The particles of matter are not at rest, but they move randomly in all possible directions in a zigzag path. This zigzag path or motion is known as Brownian motion. The particles of matter attract each other. A force is present between the particles of matter. This force of attraction between the constituent particles of matter is called intermolecular force of attraction. Which of the two, a wooden stick or a steel rod, will be easier to break? A wooden stick is easier to break than a steel rod because the force of attraction between the molecules of wood is less than the force of attraction between the molecules of steel rod. Similarly, it is easy to break a chalk into pieces but difficult to break a piece of marble. I hope this video has helped you to learn about matter and its composition. Now, let us solve this exercise.